It is 11:21 a.m. Monday morning, September 9th, 2024. We're looking at the San Luis Central Railroad. To the right is the north end of the line, Center, Colorado, center of the San Luis Valley. He's heading to Monte Vista, headquarters for the San Luis Central Railroad, and where they interchange with the Colorado Pacific Rio Grande Railroad. He's taking 5 empty tank cars from Center, Colorado to the interchange at Monte Vista with the Colorado Pacific Rio Grande Railroad. They were loaded with nitrogen fertilizer going to Center from Monte Vista. Number 70 took an empty covered hopper, and in a day or two in Center, that's going to be loaded with dried potatoes that are used for dog food. This was the very first train to operate on the San Luis Central Railroad since May 24th, 2024, because at Monte Vista, an irrigation canal let go and washed out a section of the railroad. Now it's been repaired with 5 new culverts. The locomotive is an electromotive division, General Motors Corporation SW8, built in 1952 at the McCook, Illinois plant where I worked. They also have a General Electric 70-tonner, number 71. And primarily this railroad hauls barley going to breweries and potatoes. And it is being sold to the Soloviv Group, S-O-L-O-V-I-V. They own the Colorado Pacific Rio Grande Railroad, and they engaged the contractor to put in the 5 new culverts, and they are going to pay the contractor. And the San Luis Central Railroad was incorporated in February 19th, 1913, purchased by Ed Burkhardt in 1969. Again, Monday morning, September 9th, 2024, along the San Luis Central Railroad between Center and Monte Vista, Colorado. Over and out.